Hi everybody, this is Michelle from Made for Mermaids, and I'm going to show you how to fully enclose your Natalya dress for a finished hem. First, you're going to start with your dress right side out with the back side facing up. Your lining is already tucked inside, everything should be sewn, make sure your straps are the lengths that you want, and what we're doing is we're enclosing your hem. It's essentially a burrito roll with the bottom. So what you're going to do is with the back right side up, you're going to roll your dress down, creating a nice roll. And then what I've done is I've put a clip in the center back seam on my main and then also my lining. Once you've done that, you're going to pull your main back up and over that rolled up part of your dress and pull out the back lining away from the rest of the dress. So now the rolled up dress, you can see, is kind of inside, in between the main back and the main lining. So once you've had those pulled away, I like to take the lining back and flip it under that dress. So the rest of the dress is still rolled away, and now I've just flipped my lining back and pulled it up and under. So now I've got my main front, or my main back, and my lining back together, and you can see all that dress tucked and rolled in between. So then what you're going to do is just line these clips up, and I like to nest my seams for a nice, better, smooth sew. And I'm going to clip here, and then I will clip all the way around, making sure you line up your side seams. Now, if you have a slit, you're going to come to the end. If you don't, it will be clipped all the way through. Now, you can just go straight to sewing, but I personally like to clip, especially if I'm using fabrics with potentially different stretches. That way my machines don't stretch it. So I'm pulling through, and you can see this one has a slit in it. So I've got the end of my slit there, put those together, and we are clipping here. Now, if you don't have a slit, the whole thing is going to be wrapped in a big circle in on itself. So you'll have to be shifting and pulling it through to get them to line up. So I've got all my side seams lined up. Clip. Clip. And then this is taking me, you can see I'm pulling the dress kind of out, but keeping these all together, making sure not to clip any of the center of the dress along my hem. And there we go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sew along this whole thing with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If you are doing a slit, you will start at the slit. If you're doing a no slit, you want to start probably towards the side seam or the back seam. It doesn't really matter. And you'll just sew all the way around with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And once we're done with that, I will come back and I will show you how to do the slit. If you are not doing the slit, then you'll go ahead and move on to how to turn your dress and finish it up. Okay, I am back, and you can see that I sewed my hem all the way along. Now, like I said, if you weren't doing the slit at this point, you'd find the hole in your lining and turn your dress right side out. But if you've done the slit, now what we're going to do is you're gonna find your slit opening. So you can still see my hem is sewed together, but I still have this hole where my slit is, and this is just a small slit. Now what you're going to do is line these up, starting from the top, you want to line up the top of your slit along the sides of your lining and clip or pin. If you did a maxi dress, you're going to have a long way to clip. Now, for this stage, what you're going to do is you're just going to sew along your slit. Now, I highly recommend using a sewing machine. That way you can get a nice tight point for your slit top. So I'm going to sew that and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and you can see I sewed my slit right here. I sewed it with a sewing machine. Now if you want, you can go back and use a serger just to kind of clean it up a little bit. But once you've done that, you're going to want to clip in 3 different points. Make sure you're not clipping through your stitching, but you're going to clip up to the top of your V point, and then you're also going to clip your seam allowances right at the bottom, so you get a nice point when you turn. Like I said, make sure you're not going through what you stitched. And then from this point, you're going to find that hole that you left in your lining. So you can see, nice clip slit. Find the hole in your lining and you'll turn your whole dress right side out. A little bit of a slow process depending on what size you left your lining hole. But there you go. Okay. All right. There we go. It's turned right side out. And you can see my fully enclosed hem and slit. Now, a couple options on what you can do. You'll want to press your hem if you're used a fabric that you can press. And then if you'd like, you can also go through and top stitch all the way around and all the way up your V point too, if you'd like. And then to finish off, you'll find that hole that you turned. You can see right here, and you're either going to hand stitch that closed with a ladder stitch, or you can use your sewing machine too if you don't really care about the look on the inside of your lining. And then you're done. Now, another option you can do if you'd like is tack, line up your side seams, and you can put a little tack through your lining and your main along all the seams to help keep your lining in place and keep it from shifting when you're wearing it. Then you're all done. Enjoy your Natalya. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see what you sew.